Meaning of cynic. Cynic. Cynic.
Cynic. Cynic. A cynic is a person who believes that people are primarily motivated by self-interest and doubts the sincerity and goodness of their intentions. They tend to be distrustful of others and skeptical of conventional values and beliefs. Cynicism can often manifest as a general sense of negativity and pessimism towards people, institutions, and society as a whole. While a certain level of skepticism can be healthy, excessive cynicism can lead to a lack of trust and isolation from others. Overall, the term cynic refers to someone with a negative and distrustful outlook on life.